It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, back again with some gardening updates. Boy, let me tell you, it is weird as heck with the weather we having out here in Southern California. The wind last night was Hercules. Strong, fierce, knocked over all the stuff on the balcony. I did want to show y'all. See, remember I refreshed the soil in that garlic chive. Look how big they got. I'm going to put an insert of a picture in here. I hope I can find one to show y'all before, in essence, the after of the garlic chive. But all this stuff knocked over. See that big old succulent plant with that little orange fall bulb I need to take down? It was knocked over. Plants over to the left, the right, all that stuff knocked over. Heavy stuff. The wind picked it up and threw it down with fierce force. The wind out here in Southern California was never ever like this. This is a whole new different type of windstorm. We had a horrible, terrible windstorm last night. It was booming and sonicking and all kind of stuff was going on. Knocked over everything. Everything is unsettled out here. Well, I'm not coming out here anymore today. It's cold and it's still a little breeze. You see the stuff blowing. But ooh, last night, that was something mighty different. I kid you not. The weather is really strange. I know folks talking about that ice storm they got in the other part of the country. Different for them too, but last night, the wind, oh my goodness. Got to talk about it. I know the weather people saying nothing like this ever happened over here in this area. Whatever wasn't tied down, it is gone. I mean, concrete draws couldn't stand up to the force of the wind we had last night. Look at them frogs down there. Speak, see, hear no evil. Because last night that storm was evil. But I just want to give y'all an update. Not too much going on. It's raggedy out here. It needs to be tidied up, but it's gonna wait because I told y'all about that. I guess this is a short update, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later about it. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening